Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share with you this amazing 2-in-1 electronic s'mores maker and chocolate fondue pot. Let's dive into what makes this a must-have for any kitchen. This versatile s'mores kit includes everything you need: two stackable bases, four detachable food trays, a flameless heater with adjustable temperature, 12-ounce melting bowl, and a removable baking sheet and four baking forks. The adjustable temperature feature is fantastic. You can switch between fondue, smoker, and max settings. Setting up is a breeze. Just assemble the base, place the heater in the center, plug it in, and flip the switch. This s'mores maker brings a cheerful campfire atmosphere right into your home. It's perfect for family nights, game nights, movie nights, and date nights. Whether it's roasting marshmallow or dipping fruit, pretzel, and candies into melted chocolate, this kit delivers delicious fun. This is made of super heat resistant material and stainless steel. The s'mores maker is built to last. Its elegant design also make it an ideal gift for couples, housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. Overall, this two-in-one electric s'more maker and chocolate fondue pot is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's fun, versatile, and perfect for creating memorable moments with your loved ones. Thanks for watching and happy s'more making!